Hello guys, my name is Mihai. Welcome to this Python course. You may be asking yourselves, why do I need programming? Why should I learn to code in my network? Well, I have a question for you. Did you ever try to configure the same VLAN on 50 switches? Or get CPU information from 100 switches? Or another question for you. Will network engineers disappear someday? Well, definitely not. Will they be replaced by programmers? Nah, don't think so. Or network programmers? Well, automated processes are valued more and more in the market, and networking makes no exception. This is why network programming and SDN, the famous software-defined networking, are growing stronger and stronger. Don't worry, you don't need to master a wide range of programming languages, nor do you need to be a Python god to program your network. This course will guide you through what you should know in terms of Python to get things going now. Then we will build some great apps and run them in an emulated network just to show you that you can really go from zero programming to production programming in no time. So let's get started.